Buying a gaming PC in 2026 is not as straightforward as it once was. If you make the wrong pick, you'll be left with slow load times, noisy fans, or a machine that can't handle recent games. That's why pre-built gaming PCs are so popular. They save you time, stress, and a lot of trial and error. However, not all pre-builts are created equal. Some emphasize brute power, others smart design, while yet others strike the finest mix of performance and everyday usability. Today, we've compiled a list of the best pre-built gaming PCs available right now, ranging from low-cost configurations to high-performance beasts. So whether you're a casual or a die-hard gamer, there's something for everyone. Let's dive in. Number 7. MSI Codex Z2. If you want a gaming desktop that feels quick, modern, and ready for anything, the MSI Codex Z2 is a wonderful place to start. At its center is AMD's Ryzen 7 8700F processor, which provides plenty of power for gaming, streaming, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. When combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, you get a system that can run today's games at high settings while still being prepared for VR and future titles. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, Windows starts swiftly, games load rapidly, and there's no need to switch between storage options. MSI is clearly focused on keeping everything cool while also looking good. The chassis features a 4-fan cooling system with 3 fans bringing air in from the front and 1 pushing hot air out the back, as well as an ARGB air cooler for the CPU. This means that performance remains consistent even during extended gaming sessions, albeit the many fans may be visible if you are sensitive to noise. On the plus side, the built-in RGB lighting and MSI LED button allow you to effortlessly modify the appearance of the system, and you can fine-tune everything using MSI Center. On the downside, the tower design is quite massive, requiring some desk or floor space, but generally the Codex Z2 seems like a strong, well-balanced gaming PC that prioritizes speed, cooling, and a pleasant everyday experience with only a few minor drawbacks. Number 6. iBuyPower Y40 Pro. If you want a gaming PC that feels like a high-end workstation with gamer DNA, the iBuyPower Y40 Pro is an excellent choice. At the heart of everything lies the Ryzen 9 7900X, a seriously strong processor that can handle streaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking with ease. When combined with the RTX 5070 Ti, you get a graphics package that is ready for high refresh gaming, VR, and even creative work owing to NVIDIA Studio capabilities. The 32GB of DDR5 RGB memory keeps everything running smoothly, while the 2TB NVMe SSD provides rapid boot times, quick game loads, and plenty of storage space for a large library. The casing is clearly designed to show off. The tempered glass side panel and configurable RGB lights give it a sleek modern appearance, and the colors can be adjusted to fit your setup. Connectivity is likewise abundant, with numerous USB ports and built-in Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for adapters. It even includes a keyboard and mouse, which are useful for getting started right away. However, they are more good enough than truly premium. On the other hand, all this power generates heat, and while the cooling system performs well, the system may become rather noisy when under severe load. The tower is also on the larger side and requires some space. Still, if you want a PC that combines raw speed, fancy looks, and everyday usage, the Y40 Pro offers it with only a few small trade-offs. Number 5. Asus ROG G700. The Asus ROG G700 2025 feels like a gaming desktop designed not only to perform but also to be showcased. The dual-glass chassis, complete with characteristic ROG style and Aura Sync RGB lighting, is the first thing that strikes you. It looks clean, modern, and very ROG, and the spacious case even accommodates large, triple-shot graphics cards, which is ideal for future upgrades. Inside, the Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF delivers real speed, and when combined with the RTX 5070, you get a configuration capable of handling modern games, streaming, and multitasking without effort. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM keeps things running smoothly, while the 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD makes boot times and game loading feel virtually quick. Cooling is certainly a priority here. The quad fan arrangement, along with a 240mm liquid cooler, does an excellent job of keeping temperatures under control even during extended gaming sessions. However, all of that cooling hardware means the system isn't exactly whisper quiet while under heavy stress. On the plus side, the ventilation architecture and dust filters should help you ensure long-term reliability. Connectivity is another great aspect, with fast Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and plenty of ports, as well as extras like Dolby Atmos and AI noise suppression. installation, which are useful if you game or speak frequently. One of the finest features is the tool-free design, which makes upgrading simple. The casing is huge and takes up considerable space, but the G700 feels like a powerful, well-cooled, and future-ready gaming PC with few practical drawbacks. Number 4. Ryzen 5 5500. The CyberPower PC Gamer Master is a gaming PC designed to get you started quickly. The Ryzen 5 5500, a 6-core processor, lies at the heart of it, handling everyday chores and most games with ease, especially at 1080p. It's partnered with the Radeon RX 6400, which is clearly geared for entry-level gaming. You won't be cranking up the settings on this every game, but it works well for esports and lighter AAA games. The 16GB of DDR4 RAM is ideal for multitasking, and the 500GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD keeps Windows and games running smoothly, even if it fills up faster than you'd want. The chassis has a tempered glass side panel and configurable RGB lighting, so it looks like a gaming rig rather than a dull office PC. Connectivity is also surprisingly abundant, with numerous USB connections, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for your monitor. It even includes a keyboard and mouse, which is useful if you're starting from scratch. However, they are more basic than premium. On the negative, the RX 6400's 4GB of VRAM can seem restricting in newer, heavier games, and the storage capacity means you'll likely consider adding another drive later. Still, the system is simple to use, runs contemporary Windows quickly, and provides a great no-frills entrance into PC gaming with a good balance of performance, features, and usability. Number 3. Suveri. The Suveri gaming desktop is a PC that attempts to strike a compromise between excellent appearance and everyday performance, and for the most part, it succeeds well. The first thing you notice is the pristine white casing, which has 5 RGB fans flashing inside. It looks sleek and attractive, and the fan configuration isn't just for show. It really helps keep the system cool while gaming or running heavier apps. Under the hood, the 12th generation Core i5 12400F excels at multitasking, whether you're doing office work, browsing, or playing games. It feels speedy and responsive for the majority of daily tasks. For graphics, the RTX 3050 with 6GB of VRAM is designed for smooth 1080p gaming and light creative tasks. It won't be a monster for high settings in the latest games, but it handles mainstream titles well and aids in video editing and design thanks to hardware acceleration. The 32GB of RAM is a significant benefit at this level, making multitasking feel smooth, and the 1TB NVMe SSD provides plenty of quick storage for games, programs, and files without worrying about space. On the downside, this system prioritizes balanced performance over cutting-edge power, so dedicated gamers may eventually demand a better GPU. Also, while it is ready to use right out of the box, some users may prefer a different operating system configuration. Still, as a comprehensive, attractive, and versatile desktop for work, gaming, and daily use, it provides a highly comfortable and easy-to-use experience. Number 2. WIWB. The WIWB gaming desktop is designed to be a versatile tool that can handle work and editing as well as run recent games. At the heart of its Ryzen 7 5700X and 8-core CPU that can handle multitasking, streaming, and heavy apps without slowing down. When combined with the GeForce RTX 5060, this system clearly aims for smooth high-resolution gaming and high frame rates in competitive titles. Most recent games provide a seamless experience, and the graphical capability is adequate for video editing and creative work. The 32GB of DDR4 RAM is a huge plus, especially if you like to have multiple apps running or streaming while playing. Everything feels quick, aided even more by the 1TB NVMe SSD, which reduces boot times and provides plenty of capacity for games and projects. Visually, the PC does not strive to be boring. The tempered glass panels and 4 RGB fans provide a clean, dazzling design that can be customized to match your setup while still keeping airflow moving through the chassis. Multiple DisplayPort outputs and an HDMI port for multi-monitor installations, as well as enough USB ports for all of your gear, provide reliable connectivity. However, the case is somewhat large, and the RGB-heavy design will not appeal to everyone. Also, while it is strong, really hardcore gamers may consider future improvements. Still, as a ready-to-use, well-balanced gaming and productivity PC, it provides a quick, fluid, and user-friendly experience. Number 1. Yayor. The Yayor gaming desktop is intended for those who desire a smooth, uncomplicated PC that can manage daily tasks and light gaming without causing problems. It's powered by the Ryzen 5 5600 GT, a 6-core 12-thread CPU that feels fast and responsive whether you're browsing, working, or using many apps at once. Because it employs integrated Radeon Vega graphics, there is no need for a separate graphics card. However, the advantage is a quieter, more power-efficient machine that can still run many popular games at 1080p on decent settings. It isn't designed for the latest AAA titles' super visuals, but it works well for casual and popular games. The 16GB of DDR4 memory is sufficient for multitasking, and the 1TB NVMe SSD is a significant advantage at this price point. Windows boots up swiftly, apps open rapidly, and you won't be concerned about storage capacity anytime soon. Cooling is another area where Yaoyor made an effort. The system makes use of an AMD air cooler and 5 ARGB fans, which not only give the case a pleasant glow, but also keeps temperatures under control while remaining quite quiet. On the bright side, you get built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making setup simple and straightforward. The 550-watt power supply provides some flexibility, but because there is no dedicated GPU, serious gamers will likely want to upgrade later. Overall, this PC is best viewed as a well-rounded, attractive, and user-friendly desktop for home, office, and light gaming, with evident upgrade possibilities if your requirements evolve. That concludes our list of the best pre-built gaming PCs available right now. Whether you desire raw power, a balanced all-rounder, or a basic and dependable configuration, there is something for every type of gamer and artist. Remember that the greatest PC is one that meets your requirements and gaming preferences. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Legit Pick channel for more honest, easy-to-understand tech advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.